Hello everyone. This creamy smoothie would take you straight to bed. Keep watching. We are going to be using one ripe banana. Remember guys, do not throw away your banana peel. As you can see, I have set mine aside. I would be using it to make banana peel tea. So I would go ahead and dice this into bits and pieces. The next thing we are also going to be using is kiwi. I would also go ahead, take off the skin and dice the whole of this kiwi into smaller sizes so as to help my blender blend this easily without no stress. I so love my blender and I don't love to give my blender stress. I would also be using one ripe avocado. I would also be using almond nuts and yogurt. This is fat-free yogurt. Put everything into a blender and you will top it up with fresh clean lettuce. Everything in this cup all contains sleep promoting nutrients like magnesium, tryptophan, vitamin B6, carbs, potassium, serotonin, antioxidants, and so on and so forth. Just name it, which all of these would help reduce inflammation. And they are also a rich source of sleep supporting amino acid, which is a natural muscle relaxant. Like, there is no how you would drink this and your body would not be relaxed. All your muscles will just relax. They will help you feel full and at the same time help you get drowsier before heading to bed. So it is advisable to take this at least 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. So I'm going to go ahead now and give this lovely mix a good blend. And so after blending, this is what it looks like. This is so rich, so creamy, very delicious, so filling, very satisfying. Like, I don't even know how to explain this to you except you try it out yourself. So I would urge you to try this, give this recipe a try. All the ingredients are easy to access, they are affordable, and they are all delicious. This is a very light, satisfying dinner you want to give to your body. Anytime you feel you want to eat light before going to bed, this smoothie is the best choice. You don't just eat anything, you want to eat something that would help you fall asleep faster and deeper. Now I am ready to have my own share. Of course, I love to taste everything in front of you, so you'd know that everything I make here is very edible. And of course, I'm taking this 1 hour before going to bed, and that would really give my body time to digest this. So if you have enjoyed it, if you have learned one thing or two, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video so that we all can live a healthy lifestyle. So share this with your family and friends and everyone you want to encourage to start eating and living healthy. Thank you all for sticking around with me. I will see you in my next one. Bye for now. Bye. I need to enjoy my food. Bye.